In today's video, we will look at the renewal of an authorization. We're looking at the external landing page. We have logged in as an employee of Suncor and confirmed that we are indeed going to be submitting this application on behalf of Suncor. Let's click New Integrated Application. Now, our project name is existing. It may not be in the system now because it's related to a legacy operation. I'm going to put in my contact details and click Save and Next. Now, instead of creating a new application, I'm going to look at Modify Authorization and click Renewal. Now, we can search either by authorization ID or authorization type, and that the type is limited only to term licenses. TDLs, of course, cannot be renewed. So I have a legacy authorization here. And yes, this is indeed the one I want. I will click that and select Add. Okay, super. Now we are looking at our application. See our application card. It says license renewal. The tag is blank. Did not exist in the legacy data, so it doesn't exist here. The renewal and amendment counts are 0. If this renewal is approved, then it would have a renewal counter of 1 with the same authorization ID. Let's take a look at our term length. We want to apply for 10 years, very standard. We need to provide some justification for the continued use of the water associated with the license. You need to provide this in the text box. Additional details can be provided as part of an uploaded attachment. We also need to state any stakeholder complaints, and we can put that information there as text. Some standard conditions. We have done all of our submissions, yes. Confirm that the existing works are shown on the approved plans, yes. And we can talk about our consultation as being adequate. There's our file number, and we have a file called consultation adequacy that we can upload to indicate that is done. Okay, now we come to the stage where we are asked if we are requesting any changes. I'll just click yes to show that everything in this dashed box is related to the amendment application. As part of the renewal application, the AER will consider proposed amendment changes. And if you have any questions about what can be included on the amendment application, please refer to the amendment video. I will click no and confirm that we will not be making any of those changes in this renewal. We can provide some general comments. We can provide some relevant files, and I'm going to just copy a tag in, and then in the future, this tag will be visible on screen. Let's just click validate. Our validation is good. Let's click Save and Next. And then we see the screen for the assessment criteria. The assessment criteria are processed for all applications, and we can see the outcome for this one is additional review. We'll look at the declaration and disclaimer, and then click I agree and submit this application. Once we confirm that, our application number is ending 602. Select OK. And you can see 602 here is in our system. And if I click on Show More, we can see that the application document hasn't been processed yet, but that'll be done by the system here shortly. And of course, the final decision document will only be done after the staff has had a chance to review it and create the authorization. And that concludes our renewal video.